File deduplication identifies and removes duplicate files through intelligent filtering by precisely comparing file sizes and MD5 values in order to free up space. In Files, tap the management icon at the top right corner and select File Deduplication. On Homepage, you can scan duplicate files by category. All files are selected by default and you can achieve precise matching by enabling MD5 comparison. If not selected here, you can also enable it on the scanning results page. Choose a scan method as needed. To scan specific folders, please select the target folders and tap Start Scan. Tip: regular users can only select personal folders. To scan all folders, please read the risk warnings and tap OK. The system will automatically scan duplicates and scanning time depends on the number and size of files. You can view progress or run the scan in the background. When the scan is completed, the system will automatically jump to the scanning results page. You can filter results by file types including images, documents, audios, videos, and archives. Hover the mouse over a file can view its storage path and double-click the target file can open it or jump to its storage location. Click the drop-down at the upper right corner and select View Scanning Scope and check the scanned folders. If precise matching is not enabled, the page will show the number of potential duplicate files. After enabling it, the number of duplicate files based on MD5 comparison will be displayed on this page. Intelligent selection can generate file retention plans based on modification time, file name length, and storage path length. You can choose a plan that fits your needs. For example, Check and Keep the Latest Modified will automatically select duplicate files that are not the most recently modified. If some duplicates share same conditions, for example, modification time, a prompt will appear and you can run intelligent selection again for those files. Check and Keep the Shortest Path can automatically select files with longer paths and keep only the one with the shortest path. After finishing intelligent selection, you can review the selected files and click OK for deletion. Return to the scanning results page can review the filtered duplicate files, then click Clear Now. Read the risk warnings, click Skip to ignore files in folders without enabling Recycle Bin. Admins can click View Recycle Bin to check file status. When deleting duplicate files across different devices, if files you intended to keep are deleted in another device, the system will retain one file by default. Click Continue Clearing. Files with the Recycle Bin enabled will be moved to the Recycle Bin. Otherwise, they will be permanently deleted. After clearing duplicate files, the results will be shown on the current page. To permanently delete or restore duplicate files, please go to the Recycle Bin in the corresponding folders under Files to operate. After clicking Save Scan Records, returning to the File Deduplication homepage and click the History icon in the upper right corner can view and manage scanning records. You can empty records or view and delete a single record.